Hey guys, it's Robert from East Coast Sawing Design. Today's video is we're going to be planing up some pine boards that I did on the sawmill. In the previous video, you see me milling the boards up into 1 3/8 by 8-inch wide boards. They're just a hair over 10 feet long, about 10.5 feet long. So in this video, I'm planing them down. So these are decking boards for an 8x10 deck I'm building. There'll be a future video talking about the different steps in building the deck itself, starting with the demolition of the old deck. But in this video, we're just doing the boards down. So when I milled them at 1 3/8, it was with the intent to mill about 1/8 of an inch off one face, so that I get true 5/4 boards. So when I milled up the boards, I stuck them inside the wood barn next to the shop, as you can see me pulling them out. So all I'm doing is just basically skim cutting off. I think I only end up taking maybe a 1/16 off the one face, so they still ended up a little bit greater than 5/4 boards. So all I did was, when I milled them all up, I just stacked them inside the barn on a pallet, on a couple of milk crates, and used sticker boards between them, let them air dry for about 3 weeks. That way they would be a lot easier to plane, because then I wouldn't have to be worrying about any roughness on them. So you can see me there pulling them through a little bit. They're still not the driest. So I found, especially with softwoods, if I'm milling them before they're fully dry, or if there's any kind of deviation in the thickness due to errors in the sawmill or a dull blade, sometimes I'll get jammed. So right there, I'm installing the dust shroud that came with my planer. That planer is a 2004, so they came with the wide dust chute instead of the dust extractor port. So just made it a little easier than getting sawdust on me when I got to pull them through, because it shoots it a lot straight down compared to straight out. So just a quick little video, guys. Hope you like. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and have a wonderful day.